Me just love Jama. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Yo. Long time. Me not forward. Long time. Me not forward here. Yes. I am back. Hey. Yo. All right. Today, I kick off the one away. Vybz Kartel Temptation. It's an audio featuring Roxxie and Yowlevite. I'm not sure if I said the name right. The last part, YOWLEVITE, whatever it is. Me don't know. But we're here for the Vybz Kartel and the verses. I don't know what verses. The song is like nearly 3 minutes long. So without further delay, we are gonna jump straight into this one and try to break down the lyrics, cause Vybz Kartel thing is just different. So we are gonna see how much lyrics we can catch. I'm gonna try and concentrate and break down most of the lyrics. Anyway, let's go.
And when he had fasted 40 days and 40 nights, he was afterward and hungry. And when the tempter came to him, he said, "If thou be the Son of God, command that these stones be made bread." But he answered and said, "It is written, man shall not live by bread alone,
True.
but by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of God."
The devil is a lie, him attempt me. Bring the whole world to present me. Me tell him my nass and my soul here the boy.
So you can't make me rent it.
Bomba Yo! So the devil is a lie, ma tell me. Yo, hold on, wait there, man. Blood clot. Sorry, this one is gonna be lots of profanity. Kartel do this to me. Kartel, you do this to me, my G. You always do this shit, dog. But I have to cuss you and tell you be a bad word, brother. But a good bad word in a good way and a welcoming way. Teacher.
But by every word that proceeded out of the mouth of God.
The devil is a lie, him attempt me. Bring the whole world to present me.
So basically, him start the part that likes you quote him now. The devil is a lie, ma tell me. Bring the whole world to represent him. So basically, represent court, lawyer, represent the suspect, the accused. So yeah, that concept right there is like matching, but this is deeper than just the court. The devil is a lie. You understand?
The devil is a lie, him attempt me. Bring the whole world to present me. Me tell him my nass and my soul here the boy.
So you can't make me rent it.
So them really badly need Kartel soul. If him not sell it, them want rent it. You see me? Like other people sell them soul. Kartel say the devil approach him and say, "Yo, soul for sale." Kartel say, "No." Him say, "Alright, then you can't make me rent it." No, you can't rent this. No rent.
Platinum seals, if you switch by your family, what you get to feel? Bow to me and you can't go to jail. Much less a look pale, you what time your blood clot waste.
Oh, message there, so. What message there, so? What message there, so, dog? The devil of the lie, I tell. Me don't want to say it, but me I gonna say it. Is Kartel aiming this one at the government? Kartel they are prison for the past 10 years now. Is Kartel saying something to us as if to say, the devil has say, "Yo, if you did rent me a soul, you could have come a road"? Like, is that what Kartel has say right there, sir? Somebody help me in the comment section there, please.
Bow to me and you can't go to jail. Much less a look pale, you what time your blood clot waste.
Oh, bow to me and you can't go to jail. You're much less a look beer. Like, bro, a time you waste. That's what the devil has said to Kartel. The devil vice badu.
Talk your mother with your chicken. Vanity could have never done me in a traitor. Devil, where you want me tell you get to you that far.
Vanity could have never turned me in a traitor. Devil, why you want me tell you get to you that far? This deep in the brother. This deep in the dog. This is not just lyrics, brother. This are messages, dog. Messages and yo.
Run back up ali who generally like what?
Still a win, can enough sell out the bowl.
Politician shots. Right there, politician shots.
bother with your chicken. Vanity coulda never done me in a traitor. Devil, where you want me tell you get to you that far. Run back up alley, ooh, generally like what?
Me still a win, can enough sell out the bowl.
People are so
Kartel object against the devil and say, yo, Polly who? Ilekwa? The devil reply and say, yo, me still a win, can enough sell out the boy, yeah. So even if him not get Kartel soul for buy, other sell out the boat, yeah. So Kartel I tell us, say, yo, there's plenty of sellouts in the business. There's plenty of sellout in society right now in high places. We sell them soul. So the devil don't really need Kartel soul, but them want it because Kartel is a powerful soul. You understand?
for another, so why you dummy? Real lesbian.
A win can enough sell out the bowl.
People are suffer another, so why you dummy? Real lesbian, fake pain relief, cocaine, heroin, alcohol, tobacco, tomorrow stress.
Oh, why me take up this for myself today and next Sunday, man? Why me do it? People are...
Real lesbian, fake. Devil, where you want me tell you get to you that far? Run back up alley, ooh, generally like what?
Me still a win, can enough sell out the bowl.
People are suffer another, so why you dummy? Real lesbian, fake pain relief, cocaine.
People are suffer another, so are you dummy? So basically, people are suffer. Aim pan that, brother. That is what the public pay you for do. When you try do something else, nobody no pay you for that. Like what you do. You see me? Then him say something about cocaine.
People are suffer another, so why you dummy? Real lesbian, fake pain relief, cocaine.
Real lesbian, fake pain relief, cocaine. Me know say cocaine come from a plant. Is that what Kartel is saying right here? I'm not sure right so.
Heroin, alcohol, tobacco, tomorrow stress again, crime rise, death again.
I mean do it, yes again. Me no force nobody, me offer it. Them take it and run, cold-hearted people.
Heroin, alcohol, tobacco, tomorrow stress again, crime rise, death again.
I mean do it, yes again. Me no force nobody, me offer it. Them take it and run, cold-hearted people.
The devil has said him not force nobody. Him only offer it. So people are jump and grab it. Like there's people out there looking to sell them soul even without the devil asking.
So again, me no force nobody, me offer it. Them take it and run, cold-hearted people. Them can't satisfy that a people. Them can't satisfy that a people.
You emphasize pan apart that them can't satisfy that is people, that is human being in general. No matter how a man rich in a dog, him still want more riches, you know. No matter how a man rich, him still want more riches because of greed. Human, that's just so them stay.
Them can't satisfy cause them not have nothing. You forward to offer them something where you think. Hey, so you stink, go back down a hell, sing, don't keep the link.
You say you stink, go back down a hell. You say you stink, don't keep the link. Bro, I'm telling you, this song have some message tonight, you know, dog. So don't make it go over no head, you know, brother. Me can't get every bar, me can't get everything when I say, but this have some deep message tonight, dog.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, on heaven and earth say way.
Me like the chorus. The girl that can sing. Big up herself, mama. She can sing.
And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory.
Why you want try to conquer my soul?
No influential fi make the world know say.
Hey.
Come to my side, a joy a free ride.
Whoa, wait a minute.
The power and the glory.
Why you want try to conquer my soul?
No influential fi make the world know say. Come to my side, a joy a free ride.
So Kartel asked the devil, say, yo, why the hell you want to conquer my soul? What is it about my soul? Why out of all the billions of people in the world, why are just my soul you're after like that? So like you even want to rent it. The devil say, you're influential, brother. So tell the people say they come to my side. So basically Kartel has right. So anything when him say, the people is more likely to follow. Remember, say Kartel say Clark's shop sell out. Kartel say bleaching. Kartel say cake soap, them gone from down at town. Bro.
So
No influential fi make the world know say. Come to my side, a joy a free ride.
death and destruction.
No, me not lie.
Kartel answer back and say, you are death and destruction. You're the devil. Me not like Kartel say, what? Move!
Your name lie, your face lie, you that at your best.
Your name lie, your face lie, you that at the best.
Your influential fi make the world know say come to my side a joy a free ride.
Death and destruction.
No me nah lie.
Your name lie, your face lie, you that at your best.
Remember say you're a shooter, so nevertheless if you're dead right now you are come on my address.
Remember say you're a shooter. So if you're dead right now, you come on my address. So, the devil just tell Kartel, say, remember say he's a shooter. Remember say he's a knockis. Remember say he's a bad man. Remember say he's a sinner. If you're dead right now, hell you come. You're too bad to go to heaven. You're not going to heaven. Hell you come. So just know that, bro. Don't ramp. Kartel is a genius, bro. Kartel just, yo.
I live forever, can be sold, not fi bless me, no love vanity.
Remember you drive Benz.
And no blood money buy.
Why you kill one of your friends?
You can't press me.
Press already, press again. Remember say you're a shooter, so nevertheless if you're dead right now you are come on my address.
Me I live forever, can be sold, not fi bless me, no love vanity.
Remember you drive Benz.
After David said, the Kartel said, merely forever. Me no worship vanity. The devil done the devil reply and said, member say you drive Benz. Then the devil elaborate on some more things. Listen to what the devil said to Kartel.
And no blood money buy.
Why you kill one of your friends?
You can't press me.
Press already, press again.
Remember say the devil said to Kartel, say, remember say you drive Benz. Kartel say it's not blood money bite. The devil said, remember say you kill one of your friends. Kartel say you can't press me. Press the devil said press. Don't press already. And then we start laugh.
Why you kill one of your friends?
You can't press me.
Press already, press again.
Me no know about no crime, but make me ask this boy. If you violate and still be friend of mine.
All me know when you do wrong, me get strong. So run your gang, you're the man, King Kong.
Kartel ask the devil say, yo, listen to me. So, what you ask me for do? Make man this and still basically be around? Make man this and still keep the link with them? The devil reply and say, yo, just remember this in the dark. Anything you do, that's bad. Remember, say, make me get strong, you know. Because remember, say, people always blame the devil for something or blame Satan, you know. When something happens, they say, oh, Jesus Christ, Satan's strong, man. Oh, Satan's so strong. That me want to know. Oh, Satan's so strong. Why? You know what? Me not get into this religion thing, cause me not want to beat me.
Mine.
All me know when you do
No crime, but make me ask this boy. If you violate and still be friend of mine.
all me know when you do wrong, me get strong. So run your gang, you're the man, King Kong.
So run. Remember say, when you do wrong, me get strong. So run your gang, King Kong. Bomba.
Temptation, situation, office stay strong. Vacant in relation to the Satan. Patience as a great man to the nation. Same plan, so you can't win.
To be good is hard, evil easy, believe me. Fuck discipline, sin still a win. Kingpin, pan the pinnacle.
Fuck discipline, sin still a win, brother. In this world that we living on, that's where the devil say, yo. Yo.
Let's regret.
Satan, God nasty.
That's how you think.
Father.
Master Satan, God nasty, where the devil. That's how you think.
Pan the pinnacle. Darkness regret.
Satan, God nasty.
That's how you
Our
think.
Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. On heaven and earth say way. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory.
Pumbleclot. Guys, there is some messages in this. So basically, what I got from this is just my little gathering from this. Basically, the government are the bigger heads who want Kartel for sell him soul. And then basically he would be free. That is what I'm getting from this. And there's some more in it. You see me? But Kartel I say, I'm not giving. Stop telling the ghetto youth them foolishness. You see me? Yo. Something back at this. something back at this for Kartel to pen out this. And the creativity, the chorus bad by the girl we are singing it. The devil voice just bad. And Kartel as usual top farm, bro. Yo, Gaza. Big up all the Gaza fans them out there. People, this is how I'm gonna leave the one. And leave your thoughts in the comment section. If me interpreted anything wrong, leave it in the comment section and let me know, please. Alright? So I'll see you in the next one. You hear that? Peace!